Good morning, everyone. My name's Steve Collins. I thought it would be useful in these next few posts to give you my background and also the reasons why I've started the PhyterBerry Aronia brand. So I'm a medical doctor and I've spent 35 years working mainly in Africa, treating starvation in wars and famines, and then later into preventing starvation. And during that career, I transitioned from being a clinical doctor to working much more with agriculture because I realized that you have to diversify agriculture if you want to prevent malnutrition and improve nutrition generally. And so by the end of my career in Africa, we were creating nutritional products and manufacturing them in local factories in Africa to create demand for a variety of crops that could then be used to persuade farmers to diversify agriculture. 20 years ago, I moved to West Cork. And when I arrived here, the place is a paradise. It's beautiful. But one thing that struck me is when you look at the landscape around, we have a similar problem here in Africa in that people are monocropping grass. For hundreds of years, people have primarily grown grass up on these hillsides to raise sheep and lower down cattle. And that served people well for the last 100 years. But now, in the face of a rapidly changing climate and a need to reduce carbon, the growing of grass and the raising of sheep and cattle has become really financially difficult and environmentally questionable at scale. And so there's pressure now on farms here to find alternative ways of making a living. So I spent the first 15 years farming, trying lots of different things here. As you can see, we're one of the highest farms in Cork, and we're a very marginal farm. So I spent 15 years trying to see what would grow well in these conditions. And you can see behind me, you can see there's blueberry fields, and then up high, up in the rocky area, you should be able to see the Aronia fields. And after 15 years, it became apparent that Aronia, a berry originally from North America and used for millennia as a medicinal food by Native American Indians, grew really well in West Cork. And with my nutritional background and researching the benefits of Aronia, I realized that these growing well in West Cork could actually provide a brilliant alternative to traditional sheep and cattle farming.